In this video, I will tell you that what is threads and how you can create account on Instagram threads. So without wasting time, let's start video. Instagram threads is an application just like Twitter's because Instagram launched this application in the competition of Twitter's. So when you tweet in the Twitter, you can say in the Instagram threads on the Instagram threads because it's works same as a Twitter's. So without wasting time, I will show you that how you can create a Instagram threads account. Firstly, open the Play Store and write here threads and then install it. After installing, click on open and here you will see this page, and if you want to log in Instagram threads with your Instagram ID, then click on login in with Instagrams. If you want to create a new ID on the Instagram threads, then click on switch profile. Because I want to log in it with my Instagram ID, so I will click on it and then click on allow. And here you can see it's work same as a Twitter's. So if you want to threads on the Instagram threads, then click on profile icon and then you will see the options of threads same as a Twitter's. So click on this and you can write here your threads. After that you can add pictures by clicking on it, and here you can add pictures. After this, click on post options, and here in this way you can threads on the Instagram thread as tweet in the Twitters. And here you will see the options of replies and repost, as Twitter is also show these types of options. If you want to edit your profile, then click on edit, and here you can add bio and add link of any channels, any website or any of your. After that, if you want to private profile, then click on private profile and then click on done options. And if you want to public, then of it. Then if you want to share your profile, then you can share from clicking the share options, and here you can share WhatsApp, Facebook, and whatever which you want to share. So after that, so in this way you can use Instagram threads. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.